What up guys, Kevin the Serious Man, and today I'm unboxing the Vibe P80 LED light by a company called Simorr. So let's cut this open and see what's inside. Alright, so the device itself is small and compact, which is perfect for bloggers or maybe it'll give yourself an extra boost in lighting overall. First impressions now that I'm holding it are that I can take it anywhere, which is always awesome. I mean, it's small enough to even fit in my book bag or back pocket with no problem. The device has a bicolor RGB light, so on one side there's that white light, and on the other are RGB lights so that you can use that color to change into whatever it is that you need. Maybe you want to give your pictures or photos a extra boost in purple, blue. This is excellent. Alright, so we got a button here at the top for changing modes, and pressing that again I get this strobe effect, but I don't want to do that. Alright, just change it back to white. So having physical buttons is always a plus. And now on the top left here are minus and plus buttons for adjusting the color, brightness, and the temperature. And on the right are the mode and power button, all surrounded by a visual display so that you can see what your settings are at all times. I've got a cold shoe mount and a USB-C port for charging, which is nice. Can't wait to get started using this. So if you're interested in getting one of your own, be sure to check out my website, theseriousman.com. I will post a link so that you can get yours. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as well for more tech videos and tech-related content. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe. Peace.